In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to your Clickup Workspace. Clickup is an incredibly versatile project management tool that can really help streamline your work processes, and knowing how to collaborate effectively is key to getting the most out of it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to invite new members to your workspace, helping your team collectively reach your goals. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to Clickup's homepage at clickup.com. Once there, look for the login button. You'll typically find this button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click it and you'll be directed to a login page where you can access your Clickup account. If you have registered your account through Google, you have the handy option to sign in using your Google account to speed up the process. Click on the option that says Sign in with Google, and if prompted, select your account from the list. This will seamlessly log you into your Clickup account and bring you to the dashboard. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top left side of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or initials in a little circle. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options, you'll find Manage Users. Select this option to manage the users in your workspace. Within the Manage Users section, you'll encounter a user interface that's set up to allow you to edit or add team members. You'll see a field where you can type out the email address of the person you want to invite into your workspace. It's essential to ensure that you have the correct email address to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. After you've entered the correct email address, you should spot an invite button nearby. Click on that button to send the invitation. The person you've invited will receive an email with the necessary steps to join your workspace. This process makes it incredibly easy to bring people on board and start collaborating in real time. As a tip, make sure to inform the invited person that they'll need to keep an eye on their email for this invitation. Sometimes these emails can land in the spam folder, so it's good to double check. Once they accept the invitation, they'll be part of your Clickup team, ready to contribute and collaborate effectively. And there you have it. Adding someone to your Clickup workspace is straightforward, allowing you to expand your team and make full use of Clickup's collaborative features. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share this guide with others who might find it useful. Happy collaborating!